Oh, yo, what's up, guys? It's Rick HD Gamer here, and today I am watching the fireworks out. Oh crap! What is that? Oh God! Oh God! This is Call of Duty? This ain't Call. Oh God! Hey, bruh. Oh crap! What the freak? Oh crap! I see it. Okay, I see a little bit through the trees. Oh God! I swear if it hit. Okay. Sorry about the blackness. It's just a big tree in the way. As you can see, that's the tree right there. So yes, Rick HD Gamer here. I'm watching the fireworks outside. Okay, I need better lighting. Okay, I gotta focus. I need better freaking. Okay. Well, what the? Oh, that's the light. Okay. I see a little bit right here. Alright, I see a little bit right here. Alright, it's over that freaking tree though. Oh, like. Okay. Keep freaking. Come on, focus. Hold. Alright, that's the lights. Alright, I don't really see any more else. Okay, I think there's some over here. Oh crap. Alright, that was good. On the light though. Let me try to focus on the light. Will it work? Nah, it's too black out here. Damn. I'm trying to see some good ones though, like, for real. But guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm very close to 300 subscribers. And yeah. Okay, oh crap, okay. Come on, baby. Oh crap. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Alright, focus. Crap. I swear if they hit me. Oh God. I swear if that hit me. If it hit me, I'm gonna beat your mother. I swear if that crap hit me. I swear. Oh God. It's Call of Duty in here. It's Call of Duty. Oh my God. It's Call of Duty Black Ops. Oh, this ain't freaking no Battlefield, man. We ain't throwing no grenades and freaking camping in corners, bro. This is real life. Dang, freaking get your Call of Duty happening out of here, bro. Oh, heck, you know. Man, I feel like, man, this is like Call of Duty throwing freaking smoke grenades. Man, I'm about to get up out of here. If I get hit, bro, I'm suing somebody and I'm being rich. I'll sue them probably about $1 million, billion, $2 billion. I don't know. But yeah. Oh. I see some little green in that little bushes over there. I saw some little green. Oh God. Oh. Okay, where they at? Okay. Crap. It's too freaking black out here. I wish I knew we did this earlier so it could be clear, but man, I have a little flashlight on. Okay. Come on, keep popping. Popping like fireworks, boy. Keep it popping like fireworks. Pop real good. Oh crap. Whew. Well guys, if you enjoyed this little fireworks video, hit that like button. Next year I'm gonna do the same thing too. So I'm just watching fireworks in my backyard right now. So happy 4th of July and have a great That sounds like a nuke. That sounds like a nuke trying to hit me right now, guys. That sounds like a freaking nuke. That sounds like a freaking nuke trying to hit me. This ain't no freaking, this ain't no freaking Modern Warfare 2. Heck, you know, a nuke trying to hit me. Oh, heck, you know, bro. This is not no Modern Warfare 2 nuke. Heck, you know, bro. I just heard like a nuke. Oh, freaking bugs. Get the frick off me. Nasty freaking caterpillar looking. My God. Well, I don't see nothing else, but I'm gonna go back inside. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. Leave in the comments below. What do you guys think? And yes, this is Ricky HD Gaming, and I am out. Peace out, guys.